Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a tutor account on this platform called Studypool. So Studypool is not so new. It's an online platform that connects students that have questions with tutors that can provide answers to those questions. So what you need to do first is you need to create an account for yourself. So click on the sign up button just at the right corner at the top. And because I have an account already, I'm just going to do login. But if you don't have an account, just enter your email address. You need to create a username. You need to make sure it's unique, else it's not going to work. And you need to select a password for yourself. Then click on the create account tab just at the bottom here. I'm just going to do login. I'll enter my username and my password. Then click on login. Just opening the page. Okay, so what you need to do next is to select. You need to create your account and complete an online form to be able to answer questions. I'm just gonna click on answer questions just so I can go back to my online application. There we go, answer questions. Okay, so this is my application form. I'm just gonna complete this now. So this is where you enter your personal information. So you need to enter your first name, your last name, your nationality, or where you reside. You need to put your address, and you also need to say how you heard about Studypool. And you need to enter your school or your university, the last one you attended, and what your field of study was. Okay, so once you're done with this page, just click on the save and continue button just right here. Hope that's me. Okay, on the next page you need to tell Studypool a little bit about yourself. So there's an example just at the top. So it says I've been working in the hospitality industry for 5 years as a manager. I have a bachelor's in business and communications. So you don't need prior experience to apply for this job. You can have as long as you know what you're doing and you have enough skills in any subject you decide to teach, you're fine. So just put in something little there. It has to be at least 200 characters before you can save this page. And you also need to enter preferred rates. The minimum is £10 per hour and the maximum is £150 per hour. Once you're done with this page, just click the save and continue button again. On the next page is the skill assessment page. So on this one you can select what you would like to write about. So they need to assess your writing skills. So you need to choose whatever subject you believe to be your area of strength. You can write about so I chose economics, so that's probably why it's already saved and I can't change it anymore. So there are some options you can select from. There's programming, there's engineering, there's writing, you would find health and sciences, and there's so many options. So just pick whatever you're comfortable with, and you need to also make sure you meet the requirements. So it has to be between 200 and 500 words. You need to follow all the requirements down here and make sure you use all the correct format of writing. So they've said it has to be 100% original and there should be no plagiarism found when you submit your answers. If they do find any form of plagiarism, it's going to be rejected. So you have to upload an answer. There'll be an option to click the upload button just somewhere around here. So upload your answer. It can be in a PDF or docs or any other formats you have. So once you've uploaded your answer, just click and save right here to continue. On the next page, you would need to answer 2 short questions. The questions you have to answer would be based on your category, so you can choose business, computer science, economics, engineering, foreign languages, health and medical. It can be any of the options listed right here. So also the answers to these questions have to be in the form of a document again, so you need to have the answers typed on maybe a Word document and maybe save as the PDF if you want. Once you have the answers, just upload them on. You just click on the answer tab here, then do the upload, and you should be fine. Okay, just bear with me 1 second. So after uploading your answers to the questions, you need to pick any 2 questions that will fall on this page. So pick any questions from here, any 2 of them. Once you've answered the questions, then you can then save and continue your application. After this, you need to do an identity verification step. So they need to know who you are, so you need to upload one of these any of these documents. So you can either use your passport, or you can use your driver's license, you can use a residency permit or an ID card. So when you upload your document, it has to be it can be a PDF document, a Word document, a docs, or any of these formats. So you have loads of options you can choose from just at the bottom of the screen once you're ready. So this is the format your document has to be in. So you need to hold your ID card just this way, and you also need to put hold a piece of paper with this information on your just next to your face as well. You need to make sure it's very visible so it doesn't get rejected. So as soon as you're done with this one, you just need to click on save and continue. So after you've done this stage of your application, you get to the final stage of the application to tell you how payments are made. So this is where they would say you can receive payments from any of these providers. Most people would choose PayPal, or if you have an account, or if you don't have a PayPal account and you don't it's not recognized where you reside, you can do TransferWise or Western Union or any of the options above. So these are the options that can work with Studypool. So you also need to do a so if you want to get notifications submitted to you just to let you know when students need your help, or when there's a question, just make sure you enter your mobile number right here. So you also need to make sure you click on this agreement button just to say you agree to provide only original personalized help, and you won't copy answers from somewhere else, just to make sure you are you're doing the right thing. So if you do copy or submit plagiarized answers, there is a fine you could pay. So you could pay up to $100 fine once that's found out. You can also have your account suspended, and you might actually be banned from the platform if it happens. So once you agree to these rules just right here, you can then put your signature. So just enter your signature, and once you're happy with all the application information you provided, just simply click on submit application and your application will be submitted. So this is the way you can apply for a Studypool Tutor account. If you do need any help with any questions, just let me know. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and take care. Bye.